Hello friends, day 48, and what a fabulous start to the day. I was at the bothy. I got up and looked out and it was stunning, absolutely stunning. The clouds had inverted and were down in the valley and we were up in the sunshine, and it was just amazing. I hope the pictures do it justice. It was, yeah, fantastic. I keep meeting loads of interesting people. Harry was at the bothy last night. Hope you get well soon, Harry. I think he'd got the same symptoms I had. And John, aka Carrier Bag Man, he was there, and we keep bumping into each other on the trail. So good luck with today, John. And then I met an artist when I got to Alston who was painting outside her gallery, and had a lovely chat with her. Just so many interesting people. That's one of the wonders of this trip. I took it easy today and I've only done 10 miles or so, and I'm luxuriating at Temple Croft B&B in Alston. So have a look at where I've been today and see you on the trail. There goes John, aka Carrier Bag Man, heading for Garrigal and Alston and beyond. I nearly missed this opportunity at Garrigal for a wonderful vegan pie. This is Alston with its lovely cobbled street, and also wonderful health food store, cooperative, where I stocked up with lots of lovely nuts and all sorts of goodies.